This four-node network looks almost trivial, which makes it ideal for seeing the algorithm. Every edge has capacity 1. A feasible flow must stay between 0 and capacity, and each internal node must send out exactly what it receives. The source flow value is what we want to maximize. Initially, every forward residual edge has capacity 1, and every reverse residual edge has capacity 0. In general, unused forward room is capacity minus flow. A reverse residual edge has capacity equal to the current forward flow because that much flow can be cancelled later. That second rule is the repair mechanism. Suppose the first search greedily chooses the crossing path S, A, B, T. Every residual edge on that path has capacity 1, so the bottleneck is 1. Adding 1 unit saturates all 3 path edges. The result is still feasible, but its current value is only 1, and it has used the awkward middle edge. After the first augmentation, the forward middle edge has no unused capacity. But because it carries 1 unit, the residual graph contains B2A with capacity 1. That reverse edge does not violate the original network direction. It represents permission to subtract 1 unit from the earlier A to B decision. The next residual path is S, B, A, T. Its middle step is the reverse residual edge. Augmenting by 1 adds flow on S to B and A to T, while subtracting 1 from A to B. The old greedy choice is not ignored. It is explicitly undone. The new feasible flow has value 2. In the final flow, both edges leaving S are saturated. The residual graph therefore has no positive capacity edge from S to either internal node. A residual search can reach only S, not T, so there is no augmenting path left. The algorithm stops with a feasible flow value of 2. The final residual search reveals the cut with source side containing only S. The original edges crossing that cut are S to A and S to B, each capacity 1, for total capacity 2. Every flow is at most every cut capacity, and our flow reaches this cut bound. Therefore, the value 2 is maximum. A greedy first path never invalidated the algorithm because residual edges preserved the ability to revise it.